Another day, another wonderful trade taking. So guys, I took a buy trade on step index and I shared this buy signal to my VIP members. We've taken partial profit on these buys, which I closed about 60% of my positions in profits. I closed over $270 in profit on these buys, and I moved my stop loss above my entry to break even my remaining positions, which got me stopped out on break even. So right now I re-entered these buys. I got into the trade right now, and I also asked my VIP members to re-enter on these buys with our stop loss below this structure. I saw this setup on the 4-hour time frame. Basically, our stop loss below this structure, so you're moving in good profits. I'm expecting more buys in the coming hours and days on step index. I mean, see, caught these sells from this top, from these highs. I mean, he caught the sales from this level. So him sharing with me his entries and exit points on the sales he caught, I expected step index to buy once it gets to this level. So it's at this point I looked at for buy opportunities, and I'm expecting more buys. Basically, I've closed about $270 in profit on these buys, which was my first entry partial profits basically. So my entry at this point, you're moving over $300 in profit, and I'm expecting more buys on step index. So what's my view on this index? What's market analysis? How did I know this index is going to buy from this zone? Why did I expect the buys on step index? So here in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my view on this index. So you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame. And this higher time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that this index approached a low at this point, and I think I did a video on this index few days ago, which I expected a reversal in the coming days and weeks on step index. So price getting to this point, you got the sells to the downside, you actually got a bullish move, you actually got the buys to the upside, but as price got to this level, we got the sell. That's the level where my mentee short this index, got the sell from this strong level of resistance here, and he flipped $100 account to over $1,800 profit, catching these sales to the downside. So I expected a reversal basically on this zone on the daily time frame. So you can see that this market on these buys we got here, another block was formed on the daily time frame, which is rally based rally, which I expected price to sell into for the buys. So I looked out for buy opportunities at this point, and on the 4-hour time frame, we got the market create this higher lows formation, which is a bullish structure basically. So I was like, if price can form a high at a low at this point, sorry, if markets can form a low here, another low, a higher low, 3 higher lows at this point, and the 4th higher low here, adding to our trend support on price selling back to this zone, we have possibilities of getting the buys on this level. So it was at this zone I looked at for buy opportunities. I expected the buys on step index, and I'm likely to, I would hold my trade to run up. My first tip is about to get smashed. I'm expecting this index to buy to as far as this level of resistance, this point where price sold from. I'm expecting this index to buy to this zone, possibly breaking above this level of resistance, turning to a support for more buys. So the sales we just got here is just like a retracement. These sales we got here is a retracement for these buys, and market is trying to form a reversal pattern formation. Price breaking above this level, giving a retest on it for the buys. This reversal pattern formation would be an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, getting the left shoulder formation here, the head which would be at this point, and the right shoulder which is currently forming, which I got into the trade on, which I took my buys on. So this pattern formation is a bullish reversal pattern formation. Once price gives the bullish move to the upside, we could get a possible break of this level, which would turn to the neckline, which would be the neckline of this reversal pattern formation. This is the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder. So I'm expecting more buys on step index basically. So the 4-hour time frame, we got a nice bullish structure. We also got this higher lows formation. Always do well to spot the market formation, the market structure. Though this is not really a perfect higher lows and higher highs formation, because we got these big buys, then the long sells. The uptrend is not really in accordance, but I'm still expecting a good buys on this index. I'm expecting this index to move to the upside massively. And looking at the daily time frame structure, we can see that this index has been bearish for a very long time. So I'm expecting a break of this bearish trend for possible reversals on step index once this downtrend is broken, because the market is still in a downtrend. So we have this level of resistance for price to contend with. See market traction here, support here, resistance, market traction here, resistance here as well. So this is a very strong level in the market. My mentee identifying this strong level, this key level, he expected the sells. He knew this index is going to sell from this zone, applying the knowledge he got from me. So on my buy zone, this point we got price dropped on a couple of times is also a strong level in the market. That's the reason why I expected the buys, because no matter how far an index sells or a market sells, it will definitely get to a level and buy from. So the level where I expected this index to buy from is this level, because this was a level that the buyers showed interest in previously. We got a couple of buys on this level, getting price buy on this level as a support the first time. When we zoom in, you can see we got the buys on this level the second time as a support, and the third buy is basically which I'm expecting here, which I got my buys on. So if price can buy on this level the first time as a support, the second time as a support, on price selling from this level of resistance, selling to this level of support, we have possibilities of also getting the buys from this zone, because analysis is basically using past market reaction, past market moves to predict what could happen next in the market. So I identified my buy zone, which is on this level on the 4-hour time frame, and went to lower time frame to get my entries. So on this lower time frame, I got into the trade on the 30 minutes time frame. Basically, I got into the trade here. I bought this index at this point on this, after this bullish engulfing candle here. I got into the trade here, caught this first buys, closed over $20 profits, then moved my stop loss above my entry, which got stopped at some break even. Then I re-entered at this point. I re-entered at this zone, and you can see they're moving in profit. My first piece is about to get smashed, which I'm holding strongly, and I'm likely to still close out on some positions right now, taking partial profits on these buys, because I have about 6 positions running on step index, and I'm still expecting more buys. Like I said, let's see what happens basically, and I'll still give you guys an update on how this trade played out later on. So that's it, guys. That's my view and analysis, and that's how I was able to take the buy trade on this index. You can see the market is already giving this bullish reversal pattern formation on the 5-minute time frame chart. You can see price created the left shoulder there, the head at this point. This is a bullish reversal pattern formation, an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. The head here at the right shoulder at this point. Basically, market is just retesting this level that it's broke out of. So a retest of this zone, we're expecting more buys. My first CP is likely to get smashed. And we also have this bullish formation, which the market has just started forming right now. This bullish structure, higher lows and higher highs formation. So everything is looking bullish at the moment on step index. So I'm strongly holding my buys. You can see we're getting this bullish candle that is forming right now after the retest of this zone, after the retest of this level, this broken level of resistance, as well as the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. So first TP gets smashed, I'll be moving my stop loss above my entry, holding on to the market to get to my second TP level. So for more trade breakdowns like some market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chill me, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.